Morning guys, and in front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select System, go to Date and Time, and at first you need to switch off Automatic Setup. So just unmark Automatic Time and also Time Zone if you want to play it as well, and mark at first Date. As you can see here, you can either go back in time or visit the future with the date. So let me apply 14th of June 2025, then select time, also do it manually. And now if you want to change the time zone, just mark time zone, select the region at first, and then time zone if there's more than one. So this is it. Then whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, all you have to do is to mark those switchers, and that's it. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.